What is that noise? Are they playing the theme, like the theme music at the stadium? Wait, I only know one truck that has a theme song. It's the Grave Digger. By the way, where is the Grave Digger? Oh, there he is. Oh no. Bro is not a horse. At least I don't think he is. Hey, what is he doing? He better not come
Nothing.
over. He better not come over here.
Are you invisible again?
Oh yeah, I'm
Second.
invisible. Oh no. Oh no. I think you missed. I think you missed.
Who said I was trying to hit you?
Me.
Hey guys!
Oh god.
Front row seats!
Front row seats. I'm almost getting murdered. Yay! What was that, bro?
Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna do a show.
Uh-oh.
Okay, that's actually clean.
Mm-hmm.
Bro's probably terrified right now.
I'm just watching this because I know this isn't real life. If this was real life, I would be losing my mind. If this was real life, however, I lose my mind. Oh god. The best part is
So,
you don't even know where I'm at.
get your truck.
Hmm?
Oh.
Are you okay, sir? Are you okay, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. Anyway, get either a Hallie kit or identity theft. I don't need this truck.
Alrighty, hold on.
I'm hearing you clicking.
And well, that's how you know I'm not using a freaking auto clicker. Just saying.
So, yeah, today's show is going to be Cali Kid versus Rockstar, right?
You're.
Now, you
How
ruined
does
my truck.
that work?
Anyway, welcome
Whoa!
to the Monster Truck League. Welcome to the I'm a Monster Truck League.
Whoa!
Oh, stop ruining my truck!
No, you gotta fix it yourself. Whoa!
So, yeah, welcome to the I'm a Monster Truck League. Ow. So, for our first event, racing. Jack, you're lining up on the gray side.
Whoa! No, 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 no,
Now,
no.
Jack, using the spectate menu, you're going to be watching me, and I'll show you how racing is going to go.
Let me just move
Just
in the
line
middle.
that works too.
Alrighty.
So, we're going to be lined up. Green light's going to go. We're going to move, go around that, and you have to hit the jump, or else you're getting a 5-second penalty. And judging if I don't do that, I might have a chance. And then you must cross the line that's in your color, and whoever crosses it first wins.
So like basically cross like where you started?
No. This line right here.
Okay, alrighty.
Wow.
I don't know how to
Now
get
we're
this
not gonna skip two-wheel skills because two-wheel skills suck.
real. Alright, so okay.
And we're gonna let the people in the comments decide who is going to win freestyle. Oh yes, Jack. I expect you to pull up the timer on something.
I could do my phone if you want.
That works. Get us started.
Oh wait. Like the I forgot how you do this.
Or start. Not slash, just R.
Uh,
R.
what is going on with my cam? What is going on with my camera? Hello?
Uh,
Okay,
is
what
is
is
the
wrong?
it was the thing. The
There we go. Alright, just hold on. I have some technical difficulties. Alrighty, hold on if it's. Oh yeah, it's working.
Oh, I didn't see that. Oh crap, I'm cooked. I still hit the ramp.
I
Oh,
win.
I hit the ramp, but I flipped over. Of course, you win freestyle or racing. I mean, to be fair, I've never really been a racing type of guy.
Oh no. Yeah, I'm a racing guy.
Well, loser goes first for freestyle.
Alrighty. But why is my friend calling me right now? Alright, hold on. Let me just say I can't. Hold on. I'm gonna do spectate menu. I'll get the clock up in a minute.
Don't mind me just being stupid. This isn't gonna be the start of my run. I'm just pleasing the fans before we get started with our chaos. Oh
Start with
shoot!
chaos.
Oh, bro, you British now?
No. Alright,
That's a very heavy
2 minutes,
accent.
right? 2 minutes.
Let's go 2.5.
Alright, it's kind of specific, but okay. Alright, let me know when you're. Are you ready?
Uh, get in the tunnel.
Alright, hold on.
Yeah, we both start in the tunnel, so you go in first, I guess.
Wait. Okay, I need to get off the spectator. Okay, there we go. Bonk.
I thought we were going essentially the same speed.
Hmm. Interesting.
You ready?
1 second. Let me just get it up real quick. Alright, I'm ready. Alright, let me just do spectate menu real quick. Alright, I'm good to go. Whoa.
Now, don't start the timer until someone hits, until I hit my first obstacle. That's what we're doing.
Here we
And if
are
I
with
hit
Isaac.
accident, it does not count as the start. I have to like deliberately hit it.
Yeah, I know.
So if I like clip this racing ramp, it does not count.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, like if you actually just touch it. Nope, time is on. And yeah.
I have an idea.
Alrighty, time has started.
Don't flip
Oh
over.
god! Oh
Don't flip
god!
over.
What was that? That was like a crazy start, but okay. This is how we're starting off with
Are you
Isaac for
commenting
first.
right now?
Nope.
Well, I mean, you can. I really don't care.
What a crazy turn!
Ugh. Ugh. What?
What are these sound effects?
Ugh.
No, just no. You got
Oh,
some
oh
big
no!
air. Oh no! Oh no! He looks like he might have to
How much time is
stop. Just paused it at 1:45
Yeah,
or
so
1 minute 45
you must
seconds.
make it through 45 seconds to qualify for a score, and I think I made it through 45 seconds, correct?
You just barely did.
Oh god.
It's at 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Oh, so I did not qualify. So if you don't qualify, you must go again, I guess.
Alrighty, well, time to restart.
We're just gonna start like outside the tunnel because why not?
Just go. Just go.
You ready to start the timer?
Alright, and here he goes. He just does that. Okay. This is how we're starting off, and he's just gliding on the ramp. And now he gets some big air. Oh, and he flips. Oh, he flips over. Does he save it? Does he save it? Oh, it looks like he does. Wait, 10, 7, 6, 5,
Wait,
4,
what?
3, 2. Oh, he saves it. He saves it before time ran out, and there's less than 2 minutes on the clock. Let's see some crazy. Let's see if Isaac can pull some crazy moves, and he gets another bigger. Whoa! I don't know what that was, but it looks like he was trying to do like a backflip, maybe. But that was.
No.
But he saved it.
I'm trying not to die.
Alright, he has already qualified, so this is his final attempt for freestyle. Because it is past qualifying. And he gets another big. Oh my! That must have hurt, but he still saves it.
It hurt my butt. My butt.
And he's driving backwards and seems to be driving. Now he's just going forwards. Okay.
Yeah, tell me when there's a minute left. You can only do a backflip once there's a minute left. That's the advice time.
Okay. And he's just
There's-
driving around. Okay, that's cool. And there is now
Okay,
less than a minute on the clock. Whoa, and he's just driving through it like it's like there's nothing to stop him. Oh, and what is he doing now? He just turns around and he gets some air. That was a decent landing. Not the best landing, but you know, it's fine.
Hold on.
And oh wait, does he have a backflip? Oh, he does a backflip. Oh my gosh, he does a backflip, and there's 30 seconds left on the clock. Hmm?
It was the most anticlimactic host ever.
Real. Yeah, he seems to. Oh, and he gets another. Oh my god, he just lost a piece of his truck. Oh my. And he's just gliding. He's just coasting. And what does he do? Oh, and he does another backflip. Oh no. He flips over and time is up. That was a great performance from Isaac. Please put your answers in the comments and review Isaac's freestyle. Hooray! Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. What are you doing?
Get back in the tunnel real quick. Get out of my way.
My god. Get out of my way or if I push you.
Can't even go through you, bro.
Hmm?
I can't even go through you.
What? Alright, do you have a timer?
No.
Alright.
Do you want me?
Well, it's fine. No, I have my timer still. I was just seeing if you had it.
I got it.
You have it? Okay.
I'm getting it up now. And...
Head to that, you can do the commentating.
Oh, I can. How delightful.
How delightful. What was that?
I have a timer ready.
Timer's ready?
Yes. What else would I have said?
I don't know.
Okay, move already.
Alrighty. Alright, I'm going.
Here he is, exiting the pits. Let's see what he has for us here in freestyle. He won racing earlier. Let's see if he can win freestyle. But remember, it's up to the comments to decide who wins this.
I have a wonderful idea. Woohoo!
Oh god.
Woo!
Time to start. Oh, rough landing there.
Wee!
Now the thing is, he's got the advantage. He can do both front steer and rear steer while still hitting the gas. Rockstar couldn't, which is what made it difficult for him in racing. But let's see if if Rockstar has the advantage in freestyle. Oh, don't flip it!
I wasn't trying to do a flip. Just saying.
It's 30 seconds in. 15 seconds until he qualifies. What is he doing? He's going far too slow. Speed up, old granny!
Speedable Granny. Oh, heck not to win. Woo! Oh my god. Whoa.
He's qualified. Oh, and he ends it. If he didn't, he would be in big trouble here. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Here we go. Whoa. My freaking like keys was like kind of messed up, you know.
Oh wait, wrong song. Weep.
My gosh, dude. What are these sound effects, dude?
Oh, sorry, you hired a comedian.
No. Oh no.
Oh, and he 3, 2,
No, 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 no,
1,
no, 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 no,
and
yeah.
he's done with 50 seconds left on the clock.
Oh.
Rockstar could complete the full time. Galley Kid could not. Well, no wonder he's a kid. He sucks at it.
Hey. How dare you? You give me bad luck.
I stand by my point.
I accidentally jumped on my vehicle. Oh no. Alright, well, so should we
Put
just
y'all's
end
votes in
it?
the comment section. If you don't, I'll have to eat you for my breakfast.
Cannibalism? Nah, it's just big back activities. What are you talking about?
You are the big back.
You literally just said you want to eat them if they don't comment. Says you.
Well, no one comments on our videos. We need some kind of revenue. Heck,
Well-
no one even watches our videos.
Well, please, somebody answer in the comments, please.
If one person answers, we'll make another video of this.
Yeah, if you guys at least make one comment in this video, we'll make another video. Otherwise, we're not gonna make videos anymore. I'm kidding. Maybe.
And if y'all hate it, screw you.
Then why are you watching our channel? Get out of here.
Because remember, we don't care about y'all's opinions. You know, that sounds very rude. I think of it.
We don't care. As President Donald J. Trump, I don't care about people's opinions.
We aren't Donald Trump, you idiot. We're Goofy Gooper Gaming.
I think I flipped over.
Huzzah!
Anyways, I think that should be the end of this video. Well, we will maybe see you guys in the next video if there is a next video. Anyways,
Well, I'm probably gonna record another video right after this and then just like post it 3 hours later.
who knows? Alright, Isaac, you got anything to say before we hop off?
We ain't hopping off after.
You know what I'm talking about, dude, like, before the video ends.
Yeah.
What do you got?
Drag.
What do you gotta say?
Oh, I remember now. Don't eat the pool water. It ain't yummy. It's not goody. It ain't yummy. It's bad for you.
Alrighty.